Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here. I have a huge announcement for you guys today. My twin sister Ella and her fiance George has just released a brand new course that is called How to Get Paid While Traveling. And they have created a 7-figure income online all while traveling the world. And in this course, that's exactly what you're going to learn. You're going to learn exactly what they do to be able to make money and be able to afford traveling all over the world. You will also have an opportunity to learn different travel hacks, how to travel for cheaper, and how to actually get paid while you travel. If you love traveling, especially if you want to get paid while you're traveling, this course will be a perfect fit for you. And even if you don't like to travel, but you want to make money from the comfort of your home, this course will also work for you as well. In order to get access to this course, you're going to have to click the link below this video, and it will take you to a page where you're going to be able to learn all about it. So you're going to learn a little bit about them and exactly what you're going to get and bonuses that you're going to get if you do decide to purchase this course. I will also go in and show you exactly what you're going to be getting access to. So I'm currently in the back office of the course, and this is what you're going to be getting access to. So in the first video, you're obviously going to get an overview and concept and a welcome video, as well as different links and resources and downloads that Ella provides right here for you guys. When we go to your brand right here, you'll be able to learn everything about how to build your brand, how to discover your passion and your purpose, and how to combine these two in order to see breakthrough in your business, in your life. And then also Ella talks about the vision here and branding and exactly how to attract the perfect customer. When we go to strategic system, so this training is a hands-on training that will teach you exactly how to create a system that is going to allow you to be able to travel and automate your business. So Ella talks about the email list here, then the ebook and a thank you page. So pretty much she takes you step by step and shows you exactly how to create your own system to start building your email list and to start driving that traffic and to start converting the leads into sales as well. As you can see, there's a ton of trainings here that you're going to get access to that teaches you exactly about how to create that online system. And then when we go to traffic methods, here is where you're gonna find different trainings on how to get traffic to your website, to that system that you have created. So you will learn about the audience, PPC ads, media buys, OPL method, influencer ads, and things like that. This is absolutely valuable information, and I believe 100% that you're gonna love it. So when we go to your offer, here's where you're gonna learn about your offer. So what are you passionate about? What are you gonna be promoting to people? And what are you gonna be, how are you gonna be able to make that money in order to get paid while you travel? So you're gonna learn about, what are you selling? Pretty much what are you gonna sell. Ella helps you to figure out what would be a perfect product for you to sell or offer or business opportunity. Then she goes into affiliate marketing. She also shares a video about creating your own products. So this is basically what you're gonna be getting access to, is hours and hours of trainings on exactly how you're gonna be able to set your funnel up and how you're going to be able to start getting paid while you're traveling. Because, if you're traveling, you know how important it is to cover the costs of your expenses while you travel. So if you love traveling, even if you don't, this course will be an amazing course for you to get access to and to learn about, how you can create that passive income that will allow you to travel more, or that will allow you to actually get paid while you travel, or that will allow you to maybe stay home with your kids and enjoy time with your loved ones and have more time freedom and you know, because of the system that you're going to create and have that passive income coming in. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this course, you know, how to get paid while traveling. So if you want to get access to this course, just click the link below this video and get access to it. Check it out, learn more, and I look forward to see you on the inside.